You on? You got it, I've got you, I've got you.
Just up for a bit of secret training. Don't say no. A bit of sneaky practicing while no one's out. Just at top of Rake and Bake. First thing I've noticed, all these crank marks, 2 rocks to catch your wheel. Not quite sure why that's catching, but always puts you about when you see that first, that you've got to be on your guard. So I'll have a run in and see how that goes. Bit of helmet cam for change. This one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just getting your brakes right. First run, this corner, full on into that tree nearly, or straight over that berm, instead of going round there. Super heavy on front brakes, super heavy on both brakes. No good at all. Let a bit of tyre pressure out as well. Third run down. Glad I've come out for this, because otherwise tomorrow would have just been an absolute disaster. Hey up! Not wrong with a bit of sneaky practice day before. Anybody remember this? Found this other day, so I thought I'd put it on. Not bad for this time of year. Not too warm, not too cold. Snow and Rock. If you know where that was from, a long time ago in Sheffield, leave us a comment, let me know. So, if you have bought the Wharncliffe artwork that I've been putting out, thank you so much. It has been an absolute success, and it is still available at midpackrider.com. I'll put a link in description. Anyone that has shared it on the story or done a post on Instagram when their print got delivered and they've hung it up on the wall, nice one. That is absolutely awesome, and I really appreciate all that. Definitely got some more artwork in the pipeline. And if you are looking to stay anywhere in and around Sheffield to explore common outdoor locations such as Wharncliffe Woods or the Peak District, the Friendship Hotel in Stocksbridge, Sheffield is now available to book, and it also caters for mountain bikers, which is awesome. So I'll put a link in description for that as well. Moving on, this week's trail is one that I've been wanting to do for a while, and it's going to be a tough one in the wet, because I'm not going to be able to stop. But I've got a top lad giving me an hand who was very keen to fit this in on an early Sunday morning before all weather came in, with a forecast of torrential rain on a really steep, tight, tricky trail. Will we get lucky? Will we come off? Will we stay dry? Stay tuned. Whew, what? Hey, hope. Hey up, welcome to the channel. Today I'm riding with Chris and his crew. And this is Rake and Bake. I think I need to start further back. Right, let's go for it. I'm gonna try and squeeze in. Oh, slippery. Hope it's not too dark for this one. Oh, he's off, he's off. Oh, I'm not gonna catch him here. Oh, better than the other day. Oh! Oh! Come on, come on! Oh! Oh! Oh, that one will lucky. Try to stay on this off-camber stuff without splashing out. Catch these berms. Flying! Oh, it's the tights that left for this one. Oh. Nice. Let's hope lenses have stayed all right. Right, I'll try and drop in right behind you. Go for it. Oh, nervous. Yes. Oh, you alright? Yeah. Oh, this is much better video.
Should we try that one again?
Oh, getting wetter by the second. Oh, whoa, nearly wiped out. Oh, this is lethal. Oh, here we go. 1, Oh, look at that one. Whoa. Look, hold on. Got to hold on. A bit further. This is so slippery. Last corner. Oh. 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 Nice one, still pulled away. I was just glad to make it down. Cheers, pal. Whoa, whoa. That was insane. Nice one to Chris and all his crew for doing that little intro and helping me out with that track. Chuffing hell, that was lethal. If you've ever rode Rake and Bake, you'll know that it is a steep trail and it has some tight switchbacks that have recently been improved so they catch you a little bit more, which I am really thankful about because that felt insane. Had a good couple of runs down there and had a couple of offs as well, which has made probably for a good bit of content. So let me know what you thought to that. Definitely really appreciate all lads making an effort for that. Really early morning, set off and met up at about 7:20, and had to wait for it to come light to get those clips, which it didn't really get that light, to be honest, but it got light enough to do it. Rain started coming in. We just went down it anyway and managed to get a good couple of runs. So we've made it down in one piece. If you are riding Rake and Bake and you are a beginner level or a similar level and ability to what I am, then one thing I would say is work out how to use your brakes on that track, because it really does test your concentration and not just lock up because you feel that sort of like cautious fear coming into them tight corners. So your front wheel doesn't just go sideways straight into one at trees or over one at berms. And if you are going to touch your front brake, just dab it here and there. Because, you know, I'm kind of like on my back brake nearly all the way down then. And it's more like a controlled skid than an actual ride. But you just need to keep your wheels rolling to keep a little bit of grip. I've got a Maxxis Shorty on back. Thinking I could have really done with that on front. But I had a flat and ripped my tyre on the back last week, so it were a quick change last night so that I could ride my full sus. I actually felt a lot better than using Hardtail yesterday for that bit of sneaky practice, and felt like I rode it better even in wet. So interesting. But yeah, there are definitely some sections on that. You drop in from top and you straight in, crossing over one of the trails, and then you hit that first tight switch back on your left. That sort of warms you up, ready for the next one further down that's even worse, and just got to learn how to catch it. So maybe I've got a little bit of work to do on that to get it just right, but that was definitely an interesting one for the channel. Nice one again to Chris and everyone else involved. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.